This is Mindy McIntosh Shutter from Mindar the Gardening Gnome and Dirt to Dining University, and today I'm going to show you how to properly harvest marigold seeds. Now, when it comes to harvesting marigold seeds, you need to observe the blooms first. If your flowers look like this, they are not ready to harvest. What you're actually looking for is the bloom to be dried up in a dark brown, not only the petals dark brown, but the area by which the petals are attached. And I'm going to show you an example of what you're looking for. This flower right here isn't quite ready to harvest because, as you can see, this area is still green. Once the flower has turned completely brown, you're simply going to take your fingernail and you're going to pop the bloom off from the plant. Now, do not put the bloom into any type of seed-saving storage unit that you may have, whether it's cardboard, an old film container, anything like that, because this bloom is not ready to be placed in that type of container. There's still a lot of moisture, even when they're a dark brown, that needs to be dried out before you save your seeds. So give this technique a try. This is Mindy McIntosh Shutter from Mindar the Gardening Gnome and Dirt to Dining University.